And we're live. All right, so we are about to finish up project number 3. We got most of the HTML done Sunday, and then I've just been busy the past 2 days, so I haven't got a chance to work on it anymore. So move the mic over here. Is that position good? Not too much in the way. Cool. We got our little kombucha here, high alcohol content. It's like 0.08% or something like that, so you have to be 21 years old to buy it. Alright, so where did I put that folder? If we just do Atom, it should come back up for us. Hopefully my music isn't too crappy. Move that over to the side like that, and I scoot forward a little bit. I think that's better. There we go. Alright, so we can make that full screen, close that out, and then we are working on our mobile form right now. So let's see where we are at so far. I want 3 monitors so bad. Holy crap, I can't even tell you guys. And then I need to upgrade my, oh my gosh, I got my tax refund, so that's what I'm gonna do. New monitor and then a third one. I need to get another DPI cable. I think that's what it is. That doesn't sound right. Nope. I think I just pulled a random word out of my brain. Anyway, let's get fixing this thing up. Why are we in Internet Explorer? Nobody fucking likes that shit. Why do I have that installed still? Because I have to check it work. That's why. What's up, person that's here? Alright, so. Oh, the song's over? Dang, that was pretty good for non-copyrighted stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit so we can see better. Alright, so I think the code review at the top looks good. We need to make section 1 text align centered. And we need to do that double horizontal HR. So I might actually delete that HR and just do a div that's like 5 pixels tall, and then do some border stuff on it. There we go. And then the body is not the body. Where's the container? That's what everything's wrapped in, so we'll do container. And we'll give that like 5% padding. Excuse the sofa getting torn up, that's my cat. He's really bored because I work all day and then I come home and code more. This is the green kombucha. It usually tastes like dirt, but the higher alcohol version is way better. Holy crap. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and if I tilt this a little bit more, because I can hear my voice not being in the right place. It's really weird. Alright, anyway. Yeah, we're focusing on the screen anyway, so we're gonna go to the HR here. We're just gonna make like a div class equals border. Yeah, that'll work right there too. Cool. And then right under that, we will go border, height. Yeah. Height will be like what? We'll try like 10 pixels and see how that. Now let's do 5 pixels, and then we'll do border top is going to be like 3 pixels solid black. Border bottom is going to be 1 pixel solid black. And then we'll do padding 2.5 pixels. Actually, I think if you do height auto with everything else on there, the padding, that should take up some room. So, nope, didn't work right. Let's get our handy dandy inspector. Alright, so I didn't put the colon at the end of this here. And then I think it should work. There we go. That looks pretty good. I think the padding needs to be reduced a little bit, and that's like an off black. So let's do like... we'll say that's the same color as this right here. So we'll do 2 pixel padding. Yeah, that color looks a little better. I'm okay with that spacing. That doesn't look too bad. But I think in section 1 needs some more margin bottom. Alright, gotta get the control room pulled up in case you guys want to talk or something like that. Alright, so then we're gonna do contact info. I need to adjust the display on my monitor so I can see better. So is that that just a P? That needs to be like an H2. But I forgot to put the closing bracket on this one, so keep that spacing even. There we go. That looks better. Now I don't have to add any padding to that one. Actually, we're gonna go with a different font for everything there. Do I have a different font imported? We have Open Sans and Marksy text. Is the font family just Marksy or what? So let's do. It's not the right way to spell it, but. Or you can just copy that. There we go. I have a coding music playlist that I love to jam to. Why? What? Something I'm Arabic? Alright, whatever. We're just going to try and put it in here, see how it works. So that'll be everything in contextually. Is that the same font as the top? It is. So we'll just snag this out and do everything font family Robo Slab. Doesn't look any different. Did I not import RoboSlab? Nope, it didn't look like I did. That looks right. And we're gonna get the regular and the bold. I think those are all I should need. And we can just replace this one right here. And then we'll go ahead and just copy this Be Lazy here. We've already got it in there, don't we? Yep, we do. But if we go back to the code review, refresh. Not quite, but I mean, I like it better than the last text, so we're just gonna leave it like that and not mess with it. Okay, so now all the labels need to look, I think they all need to be block, huh? Except for those need to be inline still, so we'll just do Why is this map on? Toggle mini map. I needed to save my settings when I toggle the mini map. So we'll do section 2, label, display block. All right, didn't work. What do we do here? Okay, we targeted dot section 2 label. Display is block. So that looks like it should be working. Why aren't these displayed above it? Because it's not in there. So we're not targeting it right. But we got label. Let's see. Am I spelling something wrong here? I don't think I was. Looks like it was spelled right. Didn't put that there, so that could be throwing some issues for us. Huh. Try making these inputs block. See if that works. What the devil? Is my phone still working? Sweet, cool. Yep, it's section 2. And then we'd go down to the label, and then it would make that display block. This project's been doing weird shit for some reason. The style sheet's still linked up. What if we take out this and just target the labels or inputs? Then does it change? It does. So we're not targeting section 2 right? Because we didn't spell class correctly there. Ah, that's what it is. Okay. There we go. What is going on with that? That's weird. All my labels are gone. There we go. Cool. That looks better. We'll do margin bottom, like 3 pixels. Save that, refresh. Okay, maybe like 5 pixels. That doesn't look like enough. And then top will be like 10 pixels. What's up, buddy? I know you need attention. I'll finish this and then I'll play with you, okay? Oh, I gotta pay attention to my cat. And the inputs, those widths need to be like 100%. Why is there like a inlay on it? That's weird. When I give the border radius 5 pixels. We're gonna do 98% because it wasn't lining up with this right for some reason. Let's see. Yeah, why is that breaking outside the padding? that part should have the padding. Boo, boo. And even that's breaking out a little bit. Yeah, something's weird with the scaling on this, but whatever. So we'll go in here. We'll go to the section 2 input. We'll just throw that stuff in there. And then save, refresh. Cool. Are those styled any? No, there isn't a border. So we can go ahead and do that works. Yeah, we'll do a little bit wider. So we'll just copy that whole thing because I don't want to mess with anything else. And those can get indented. And then right here we'll do our little handy dandy color picker. Our little handy, all right, there we go. All right, so that's like a, go with that, see how that looks. And we'll just clear out that light gray there, save that, refresh. That looks darker than it was before. So good try me, but go up a little bit more here. Not quite there. Let's keep going a little bit more. All right, that'll work. And then we need some padding. I feel like nothing changed. Was padding already 5%? Oh, it was. Yeah, we'll do 15 pixels. That looks like it works. We not just, oh, undo that. We didn't put it in the right place. There we go. Save, refresh. Cool. Why is this? Why is there extra room on the right there? Do max width 100 view width. It still goes. Those aren't displayed right either, so we're not just hitting section 2. Never gonna let you down, because we didn't close off section 2 in here. It's inside the form, right? No, it's not. So if we just, yeah, we can just throw another div in there. Oh, mouse vibrating? That's weird. No. And we'll go down here below the zip code, just throw it in right here. Save that, and then we'll get this class. Go to our styles, and then right where we have section 2, we'll just change that to top form part. And then that should get us what we want there. Cool. I still go to the right? There we go. But those are still over. Huh, that's weird. So we just need to target text area, max width, 100%. Cool. You're being bad, bud. You're getting fat. Huh? Alright. Refresh. Here we go. And then those, I guess we'll just decrease the width on those. Oh my gosh, I need Flux. Or Flux, whatever you want to call it. Is that on here yet? No. If you don't know, Flux is something that adjusts the yellow or the blue light on your computer. Perfect. Oh my gosh. So if you see it's got like a yellowish tint now, it'll kind of, because blue light triggers your, like, prevents your body from making melatonin, because your body's like, oh, it's daytime. Jax, don't chew on that, bud. Keep chewing on this because I told you not to. He knows what to do to get attention. But yeah, anyway, blue light prevents your body from making melatonin. So what you want to do if you look at, like, if you work on computers or look at screens, you want to get Flux or blue light blocking glasses. That way, when the sun goes down, Flux will automatically adjust the blue light on your screen, and your body will start naturally making more melatonin because it's getting ready for bed. And then the blue light glasses will pretty much do the same thing. Also, blue light blocking glasses kind of take the stress off your eyes too, from what Ash says, because he's a copywriter, so he works on the computer all day too, and then he likes to go home and play games. So give that like 92%. But he says they've helped him out. He's noticed a big difference. All right, save 92%. Cool. Then we need to make the input placeholder text, so that's a pseudo element. And then we'll do text align right. And that should put those on the right side for us. It did not though. Why didn't they do that? Text align right. Okay. Do I just need to input? But then when I type, that'll work. Input focus. And then we'll just throw both of those out, and then we'll get rid of this type equals text part because we're using different types of inputs. Also on focus we want right here we're going to do transition duration 1 second. Actually we'll do like 0.5. Alright, there we go. And now when we click on this, the border comes blue. Is there like a natural focus effect on it? If we go here and we do focus, I believe that's from Google, the browser. Why is it getting bigger though? So that's because there's not a border. So we need to do padding. What is the padding by default right now? It's 15 pixels. So we'll do 15, 14, 13 pixels. and that should prevent it from growing any. They jump a little bit though. Oh well, it's not too bad. Good, bud? Huh, that thing's width is not all the way across, so we're gonna go ahead and take this, put it down below here, and do there we go, that'll work. Cool, so now those look good. So how does this line on the bottom look? It's just a solid black line. Okay, so for that, we might actually just leave the HR. If I can find it, there it is. Yeah, so it's just an HR. It's the only one on the page. So we'll just do above the text area, HR. Can't decide if I like it growing like that on the first load. I think it's cool. Kind of like it. We'll leave it like that. Up to 27 minutes. Okay, cool. We'll probably go to like 8. I think I can. I know I can get the mobile part done. Maybe depending on how much I have to change stuff, we might be able to get that done too real quick. So down here. Alright, newsletter, that looks as good as the H1 up top, so that's cool. Again, the font's not exact, but whatever. So that is going to be bottom form part. I'm gonna go ahead and indent all this stuff. Oh, there we go. Come on. And then we'll just close out that div. Now we need to work on these labels. Oh, nope, nope, nope. That'll work, and then we need a little bit of space in between, so we'll do like how does that part look? Yeah, that spacing between newsletter format's good, so we'll just do margin bottom of what, like 10 pixels too. And labels are inline elements, so it's not gonna let us apply a margin bottom to that. And we can just make them display inline block, so that'll let us apply margin bottom and padding top and bottom to them if we want to. There we go. All right, HTML is not capitalized. It is capitalized. Didn't think that looked right. I changed my mind. We're probably not going to finish this tonight because I need to go back and edit the labels and attributes for the ones up here, and that'll probably take about 10 minutes. And that'd get us to 750. And then I think finishing this part right here will probably take about like 5, and then desktop form maybe like 20. Let's say like 15, just to be hopeful. All right, so those parts look good. Other topics you'd like to hear about? So that is the text area. Go ahead and make part just for the text area there, because I'm going to need to give that some padding or margin top and bottom, it looks like. I'm really bad about putting those colons when I work from home. It's weird. And then we can probably just copy, we'll just steal the color up here. Where's it at? For the inputs. And the border radius and the border. And we can do the width and stuff on our own down here. Anything else we need to add in there? Nope, that looks good. That'll work, but why is that? Why does that have padding on the left here? Oh, gotcha. So it's getting. We can do label last child, margin left 0. Oh snap, not getting enough video to do it? Is my stream being shitty? Alright, I guess my phone died, huh? Let's find out here. Yeah, phone kicked over. So we only got 15 minutes left. We're gonna keep going. I don't know if the stream's down or how. Well, we're at there. Yeah, we'll keep going. We're just gonna finish this up. So we can do, is that the legit button? It is the legit button. So we can just target button width 100%, background. This is like a tealish blue greenish part. Let's see, let's do like a little more green in here. That'll work. Close enough. Yeah, we need you to do color white. Padding is going to be, what, like 25 pixels? Pixels and 0. All right, cool. And then the font size, we can knock that up a little bit here. So I don't know if it's at 18 right now, but yeah, let's do like 24 maybe. That'll work. That looks good. And then that last part needs to be text align centered. Cool. I think that's about it. Let's just. Oh, what do the checks look like here? All right, so we need to figure out how to style those. Got all 50 states. I mean, that didn't look bad. There's no. I don't think there's a rule against it, huh? Why is E count as a letter or a number? That's weird. I guess because you could do like 10x E negative 0.5 or whatever the scientific notation is. I don't know if it's placebo or what. My eyes feel way better now. I could tell they were getting a little strained before. Alright, so let's go from the top here. Code review. Sign up for our newsletter. I mean, the Ooh, so we can adjust the label in P text to be like a lighter shade. And we'll do that up here. I think that looks pretty close, huh? Yeah, that's pretty good. Is the placeholder text the same color, roughly? Placeholder's italicized. So where is... Did I ever target placeholder text? I didn't. We just need to do input, placeholder. Is it text transform? No, it's text decoration. What is it? Font style? Yeah, there we go. Italic. What? And then we refresh, and it's not italic. Input placeholder. Am I just not targeting placeholders correctly? What's going on here? I can't even look at the placeholder because it's a pseudo element, huh? Let's see. We're just gonna do that. Wait, is it just placeholder by itself and not input? It is just placeholder by itself, huh? I don't need to make this work on any other browser, so we're just gonna clear that out and go placeholder. Close that out because we don't need that, and it's still not working. So undo, put that back. Now does it work? It does. It's just kind of weird. I was getting cut off a little bit right there, so I had to add that extra padding. And then we need, oh my gosh, how to target selector placeholder text. Do I just target select? Where's that at? Let's try that, see how that works. Just gonna try it with pink just to make sure it works. It does. Huh, cool. So where's that text at? Up here, right? That is exactly what we want right there. How do we do that? Try it myself. Show me what you did. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Where it's annoying. Do I have to style those? I can submit this today, so I need to finish it up. Let's just see where we're at. So we got... Oh god, there's a bug in my house. My cat found it. Is that a mosquito? It's too cold for mosquitoes yet. I have to get some more of my cat medicine to put on Jax to prevent heartworms and stuff. Alright, so make sure the HTML includes the viewport meta tag check. It should only have one form, and it should contain all form elements, all field set, and legend. I don't know what that is. I think I have a newsletter section, right? Because it's got that. So I think we're good there. Alright, we've got those. Input should have an ID type and name attribute. We're going to make it look like the big version before we focus on that. And we're going to worry about those later. So let's go ahead and go to this. Zoom in a tad bit, because I don't like how I can't... I guess that'll work, whatever. So, when does the breakpoint need to be? 768 pixels, alright. So down here we will do at media, screen, and it's min, width, no it's min, width, that. And this is just a test to make sure it works. Boop. All right, perfect. So that works. Cool. So we can go ahead and take that out. And then where we are making the labels for that top part of the form, display block, we're going to take that, we're going to make those inline block. We don't need those margins because those are already going to be applied. Alright, not quite what we want here, so... Did I make the labels like that too? The labels are inline block. That's for the bottom part. Oh, so we were just targeting the labels, right? Cool. When did those start getting off? Alright, well we might have to finish this in part 3. I've got to go pee real quick, and I've got to do some other stuff before I go to bed tonight. And it is a gym day in the morning, so I have to wake up early. So, yeah, we'll probably finish this tomorrow. Actually, I might. Yeah, we'll try and finish tomorrow. It'll be Thursday. I might have somebody come over, actually. Oh well, we'll see, guys. Alright, so yeah, if you have any questions, throw those in the comments below. If you want to sign up for Team Treehouse, there's a link in the description. If you sign up through there, I get credit for you signing up, so that'd be awesome. Help out the channel a little bit. If you hate me, then just go to Team Treehouse and sign up there. Whatever. We'll see you next time, and peace.